I've made a few improvements since the part 1 video that I posted. I've added these spring assist to help when you open the box. Basically garage door springs. I have a 3-point leveling system now, which uses these jack stands. I've added a side access door, which has great access. When you're going down the road, you can access your tubs. And also, I've actually slept in here on a twin-size mattress. The third leveling point is this jack stand in the front. And then I have this bolt holding the whole bedroom in place so it doesn't swing open when I'm driving down the freeway. I also made these wheel chocks to stuff under the wheels. I leave a little bit of weight on the wheels even though I'm leveling it with the 3 jack stands. I hook the garage door springs on an eye bolt when I'm driving down the road, and then when I'm ready to set up, I unhook it. I use these 2 jack stands in the back and the one in the front to level everything. I put one of these leveling bulbs on the side of the trailer to make it easier to adjust the 3 jack stands to level it. I use this hand crank jack stand in the front and to use that to level out the 3rd point. The springs counterbalance it almost perfectly. To level the back side of the bedroom here, I got a pair of these load bars. Someone recommended this in the comments section on my part 1 video. And basically, this moves up and down loosely. You get it in a level position and then you lock it in place. I came up with a solid roof that folds down. You can see it's 3 pieces of this greenhouse, plastic corrugated greenhouse material with aluminum hinges, some hinges on the side. It adds about $400 cost, so you have to decide if it's worth it for you. I just kind of wanted to see if I could do it. I will take a video showing how I unfold this. I have Velcro along the top edge that seals it. And in the back end here, there's aluminum hinge flaps that flap down with Velcro on them to seal that edge. There's a screen panel and a solid panel that snaps in, and actually I'm going to add some Velcro here to get a better bug seal. And those two panels go in here. The solid panel is removable from the inside, and the screen panel attaches from the outside. This is a better view of the solid roof. I added a aluminum angle at a couple places, at this seam and also at that seam. I had to add this aluminum flap hinge so that I could catch the top edge of this bedroom wall.